Milwaukee 265920 Real Review, the pin detent king nobody talks about.
Last Saturday, I'm under my truck in the driveway, rusted pinch bolt laughing at me, breaker bar bent like a pretzel, and I'm already late for my kid's soccer game. I grabbed the little Milwaukee 2659-20 I usually ignore. 3 seconds later, the bolt screamed off like it was butter. I actually laughed out loud. Type same if you've ever lost a whole afternoon to one stupid seized bolt.
That sinking, greasy, knuckle-busting rage when nothing moves is the worst feeling on the planet. Your back hurts, your patience is gone, and you're one snapped socket away from throwing tools. I was right there every weekend until this little red wrench quietly ended the war. Stay with me for 30 more seconds. I promise it gets good. Here's what blew my mind the first night I really put the Milwaukee 2659-20 to work. At 2 a.m., I'm swapping suspension on a buddy's rusted-out Tahoe. Everyone else had gone home, and I still had lower control arms to pull. This thing is stupid compact, slides right between the frame and exhaust like it was made for it. Pin detent means the socket never ever falls off, even when I'm upside down under the truck. Mode 1 lets me run nuts down without stripping. Mode 3 cracked 150 foot-pound lug nuts like they were hand-tight. The LED actually stays on long enough to see what you're doing. In under 10 minutes, I had both sides loose, and suddenly everything clicked. This is what no drama feels like.
It's not just me being dramatic. Project Farm called it the best value impact in the M18 lineup after beating it senseless for months. A fleet mechanic with 42 trucks told me they standardized on the 2659-20 because the pin detent stops lost sockets on job sites. That's real money saved. Torque test channels showed it outperforming tools that cost twice as much in breakaway torque. My own unit has been dropped, frozen, drowned in brake cleaner, and still fires first pull every single morning. The number one pushback I hear is, yeah, but it's only 220 foot-pounds, I need the high torque version. Then they use mine once and immediately buy the exact same tool because 99% of real-world jobs don't need 1,000 foot-pounds. That's why thousands of techs won't shut up about it right now. Which mode do you think you'd live in the most?
So imagine every seized bolt just giving up without a fight. No air hose, no cord, no drama. Just grab the Milwaukee 2659-20 and get your Saturday back. Join the thousands of mechanics and serious DIYers who already made this their daily driver. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it. Full disclosure, I make a couple bucks if you use it. Just click, try it yourself. No pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you in the comments when that first stubborn bolt surrenders in 3 seconds flat.